Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got lots of exciting content coming your way.
Make sure we're Hasma.
Make sure we're picking the fully ripe ones. The color is perfect on this one.
Yes, we have the approval.
These look really good. Make sure you get the ones higher up too. Careful on that ladder.
This is a great harvest this year.
Yes, the fruits are beautiful and heavy. Careful when you stack that one.
Careful now, stack it right here.
We have a lot more coming from the south rows.
All right, let's keep it moving.
How many baskets have you picked today?
I think this is my 5th one already.
We have almost filled the first pallet. Good, let's keep the pace. The quality is excellent.
Careful with that one, it's heavy.
I got it, pass it up.
We need more space over here. Pass it up here.
Careful, it's heavy.
We need 2 more for this stack.
Slowly now, bring it to a stop right here.
Okay, next one. Pull into bay 2.
Súbela más.
Listo, la tengo.
Pull forward slowly, keep it straight.
We'll start with the pallets on the left. Watch the forklift on the left.
Okay, clear. Send the next pallet down.
If you're interested in seeing more of our work, please hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to click the bell icon. We appreciate your support.
Clear on the left, bring it forward. Set it down right there.
Check the pressure on line 3. Looks stable from here. Keep an eye on the flow rate.
I just adjusted the flow rate on unit 3. Okay, keep an eye on the moisture levels down the line. Revisa el color. Sí, estos van para primera calidad. Encontré uno blando aquí.
sure these are right before they go down the line.
Got it. Moving the next batch now.
The flow rate seems a bit low on the third belt. I'll adjust the speed now. The readings here indicate we are maintaining optimal pressure for the extraction.
Keep an eye on that gauge, level 5.
Reading steady, boss. Everything is running smoothly.
The flow rate looks optimized now. We are getting a good yield.
Yes, much better. Let's maintain this setting.
Keep the line moving smoothly. We're almost at target for the day. The labels look good. Move the next pallet over. Move that stack forward. We need space for the new pallet. Got it. How many more are coming? Just this one for now.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.
Unit 7 is clear to proceed to the main road.
Confirmed. Next truck, you are clear to approach the gate now. Over.
Our best batch yet!
Go, go, go! See you later!
All right, let's move out.
Safe journey!